Are you tired of the back-breaking work of scrubbing floors? Do you dream of a cleaning tool that combines efficiency with ease of use? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the world of spin mops to discover the best of the best for keeping your floors sparkling clean. From innovative designs to microfiber magic, we've tested a variety of spin mops to bring you a comprehensive review. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's mop our way through this list. Seven, O-Cedar Easywring Bucket and Microfiber Spin Mop. Starting our countdown at number 7 is the O-Cedar Easywring Bucket and Microfiber Spin Mop. This mop has been a game changer in my cleaning routine. The bucket's built-in wringer is a standout feature, allowing you to control the moisture level with a simple foot pedal. No more bending over or wet hands. The microfiber mop head is not only soft and absorbent, but also machine washable, making it a sustainable choice. It's adept at picking up dirt, dust, and even pet hair with minimal effort. The triangular head design is a clever touch, reaching into corners and under furniture with ease. The telescopic handle is adjustable, catering to various heights and ensuring you don't have to strain your back while mopping. The mop pivot is smooth, gliding across the floor and making 360-degree turns to tackle every inch of your space. One minor drawback is the plastic construction of the bucket, which may not withstand rough handling over time. However, for its price point, the O-Cedar Easywring offers a solid performance that's hard to beat. Six, Masthome 3 Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket. At number 6, we have the Masthome 3 Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket. This mop system impressed me with its thoughtful additions. The bucket comes with a detergent dispenser, adding cleaning solution directly into the water for a more effective clean. The 3 microfiber heads included are plush and high quality, ensuring you always have a fresh one ready to go. They latch onto dirt and spills effortlessly, and the spin function in the bucket wrings them out thoroughly. The handle is sturdy and extends to a comfortable length, while the bucket's wheels make it easy to move around without lifting. The splash guard is another practical feature, keeping the water inside the bucket and off your floors. While the Masthome mop is slightly heavier than some of its competitors, the added features justify the extra weight. It's a robust cleaning tool that doesn't disappoint. Five, Bissell SpinWave Cordless Spin Mop. Moving on to number 5, the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Spin Mop is where convenience meets innovation. This cordless wonder has been a joy to use, freeing me from the confines of power outlets and tangled cords. The dual spinning mop pads do most of the work for you, scrubbing away at tough stains and spills. The pads are washable and reusable, which is a plus for the environment and your wallet. The SpinWave is remarkably quiet, making it perfect for cleaning during any time of the day without disturbing your household. Its lightweight design and swivel steering make maneuvering around furniture a breeze. The water tank is easy to fill and dispenses cleaning solution with a simple trigger, giving you control over how much liquid you use. The only downside is the need to recharge the battery, but with up to 20 minutes of runtime, you can cover a lot of ground. Or Hapinnex Spin Mop and Bucket. At number 4, the Hapinnex Spin Mop and Bucket stands out with its durability and user-friendly design. The ringing mechanism in the bucket uses a push-down handle, which I found to be a more comfortable motion than foot pedals. The microfiber mop head is thick and absorbent, locking in dirt and liquid without dripping. The bucket's splash guard is effective, and the draining plug at the bottom is a convenient feature for emptying dirty water without heavy lifting. The handle's length is adjustable, and the mop head's flexibility allows for cleaning under and around obstacles with ease. The Hapinnex mop feels robust and is built to last, making it a reliable choice for frequent use. One potential improvement could be the addition of wheels to the bucket for easier transport, but the lightweight design somewhat mitigates this issue. Libman Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System. Coming in at number 3, the Libman Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System has earned its spot on this list. The mop's green microfiber head is not only eye-catching, but also incredibly effective at capturing dirt and grime. The bucket's integrated wringer works with a hand lever, which I found to be less strenuous than other systems. The mop head spins to release excess water, leaving the floor damp but not wet. The handle is strong and telescopes to accommodate different user heights. The mop head itself is machine washable, and its ability to lay flat makes cleaning under furniture less of a chore. The Libman system is simple yet efficient, though the bucket lacks wheels, which would enhance its portability. Nonetheless, it's a solid performer that doesn't disappoint. Tsmine Spin Mop. The runner-up at number 2 is the Tsmine Spin Mop. This mop system has several features that make it stand out. The bucket's 2-wheel system and pull handle make it a breeze to move around, even when full of water. The stainless steel wringer is built to last, and the hands-free operation keeps you clean and dry. The microfiber mop heads are plentiful. You get 6 in total, ensuring you're never without a clean one. The adjustable handle is a back saver, and the mop head's 360-degree rotation makes cleaning in tight spaces simple. The Tsmine mop picks up an impressive amount of dirt and can be used wet or dry, adding to its versatility. While the bucket is on the larger side, the storage for the mop heads and the ease of use more than make up for the space it occupies. Deluxe Stainless Steel Rolling Spin Mop. And finally, at number 1, the Deluxe Stainless Steel Rolling Spin Mop is the cream of the crop. This mop system is the epitome of quality and functionality. The stainless steel bucket is not only sleek, but also incredibly durable, withstanding the test of time. The rolling wheels are smooth and make transporting the bucket effortless. The spin wringer, operated by a foot pedal, allows for hands-free wringing and adjustable moisture control. The microfiber mop heads are some of the best I've used, with a dense construction that traps dirt and can be washed and reused multiple times. The handle is extendable and comfortable to hold, reducing fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. The Deluxe mop's performance on various floor types was unmatched, handling hardwood, tile, and laminate with equal prowess. It's a top-of-the-line choice for those who want the best in their cleaning arsenal. There you have it, folks, a thorough rundown of the top 7 spin mops on the market. From the O-Cedar's corner cleaning capabilities to the Deluxe's durable construction, there's a spin mop out there to make your cleaning routine easier and more effective. Remember, a clean home is a happy home, and with any of these spin mops, you're well on your way to achieving just that. Happy mopping!